Hello everybody, welcome to grade 12 winter school. In this question I deal with trigonometry. Now this question counts 6.7% of the paper. Get ready to conquer one of the most challenging topics, grade 11 and 12 trig formula. While it may seem intimidating at first, you need to watch my videos on 2 and 3D trigonometry problems. There, I take you on a step-by-step journey to master the concepts and formulas. After watching it, you will be confident in your ability to apply trigonometry to a variety of problems and tackle even the toughest challenges with ease. Let's look at the question. Now here you can see that this is a proper three-dimensional question. And then there's number 7.1. We must show the length of QS is equal to 3R. And then number 7.2, determine in terms of R the area of the garden. This is what this is all about. But then I want to show you something here on 7.3. Don't worry if you found the previous questions challenging. You are definitely not alone. However, it is crucial that you move forward and attempt the next two questions, number 7.3 and 7.4. Because not only will this help you get back on track, but you'll also have the opportunity to earn some easy marks and build your confidence up again. So, take a deep breath, focus, and give it your best shot, because this is where if you couldn't do 7.3, then at least there's 2 marks for you where you can substitute in R's place 10 up there and in X's place 56 degrees and work it out with your calculator. But let's do the question now from the beginning. A landscape artist plans to plant flowers within 2 concentric circles around a vertical light pole PQ. R is a point on the inner circle and S is a point on the outer circle. R, Q and S lie in the same horizontal plane. RS is a pipe used for the irrigation system in the garden. The radius of the inner circle is R units and the radius of the outer circle is QS. The angle of elevation from S to P is 30 degrees. RQS is 2x and PQ is root 3R. 7.1 show that QS is 3R. Now we find QS is part of that right angle triangle in triangle PQS. And then we find that tan 30 is PQ over QS. Tan is opposite over adjacent. And then the one we're looking for is QS, so we will make QS the subject of the formula, and we know PQ's length is root 3R. And then now in this one, QS is the subject of the formula. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3, and then we're going to tip and times that one, and we get root 3 times root 3 is just 3R. And then where's the marks? That you knew it was tan 30 and the ratio, the substitution, and the answer. 7.2. Determine in terms of R the area of the flower garden. So the area of the flower garden is the shaded part. So what we're going to do is we are going to say it's the big circles area minus the small circles area. And area, the equation for area is pi r squared. And then this one is pi and the r for the big circle is QS, and then again the small circle is pi and the radius there is RQ. Squared. So in QS's place I substituted 3r because we worked it out in the previous one, and then RQ's length was given that it's little r, and then 3 squared is 9r squared, and then we have 9 pi r squared minus pi r squared, and that is 8 pi r squared. So where's the marks? Substitution, answer. 7.3, show that RS is equal to R root 10 minus 6 cos 2x. Right. So RS is that line there that lives in triangle RQS. So we are working in triangle RQS, which is a non-right angle triangle, and I have two sides and the included angle. Therefore, I'm going to use the cosine rule. So RS squared is equal to RQ squared plus QS squared minus 2RQ times QS, the cos of angle Q. And then you just substitute the values. RQ is little r squared, and then QS is 3r squared minus 2r 3r cos 2x. And then we have r squared and then plus 3r squared. The whole thing is 9r squared minus 6r squared cos 2x. And then r squared plus 9r squared is 10r squared minus 6r squared cos 2x. And then you can say, now in this one you can pull out r squared as a common factor. And you're left with 10 minus 6 cos 2x. And then you take the square root and you're left with r is root 10 minus 6 cos squared x. Where's the marks? Substitution into the cosine rule, taking out r squared as a common factor, and then final answer. 7.4, if r is 10 meters and x is 56, calculate the length of RS. So you just calculated that RS is that R root 10 minus 6 cos 2x. In R's place you substitute 10. In X's place you substitute 56. You work it out with your calculator and you find that the length of RS is 34.99 meters. Where's the marks? Substitution, answer. In the next video, I will deal with Euclidean geometry. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to that lesson.